Hey guys, I'm Brian and welcome to my shop. This is going to be my weekly shop update for July 17th, 2017. So, what's been going on? July's like half over already. That's kind of crazy. I guess I better get like making something for my giveaway at the end of the month. July, it's like this is like creeping up on me, huh? So the bed is done. It's getting picked up tomorrow. And the nightstands are done. So let me go show you those. Alright, so the bed is back there behind me. Obviously it's not put together. I'll put it together tomorrow when the client comes to pick them up, or pick it up. But I'll throw some photographs of it in here somewhere. Here are the nightstands. It's a super simple design. As you can see, it's just a box, right, with a shelf and a drawer. I wasn't even going to do a video on these guys because they're so simple. I mean, it's literally just a square. There are mosquitoes everywhere. It's like almost 9 o'clock. Mosquitoes are just killing me. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I wasn't going to do a video on these because it's literally just a square with a drawer. No fancy joinery or anything. Literally just dominoed together. But I did a video anyways. Maybe someone will get something out of it. I don't know. So that'll be coming out soon. And the video for the bed will be coming out soon. The bed will be coming out soon as well. So, what else is going on? I'm not sure if you can tell, but I cleaned my shop today, which is awesome because it was a huge freaking mess. I'll throw some before and after photos in here too. So this is the before, really messy, and this is the after. Not too bad. At least it's workable, right? I still need to put all my tools away, but that's kind of hard because even though I've been here for 7 months, they still don't really have a home. I've been building commissions, you know? I need to build some tool storage. Someday. So what's coming up on the horizon? Got a refinishing job to do, which will be interesting because I've never really refinished anything. And there are a couple repairs that need to be done too, some legs, mortise and tenon, easy stuff. So that'll be happening pretty soon. I don't know if that'll be started this week or next week, I'm not sure. I also have some mosquitoes, man, these things are killing me. Canoe paddles to make. A friend of ours gave us some chickens. Some Hona chickens. They're like all black, completely black. Everything on these chickens is black. Even when you kill them and eat them, the meat is black. It's crazy. Organs, everything, it's all black. So apparently these are like pretty rare chickens and they're like worth a lot of money. Like I guess you can sell like a breeding pair of them for like $500 or something. And you can sell their eggs for a significant amount of money for like hatching. And the chicks for like a significant amount of money. So this friend was just bored of them. She didn't want them anymore. So she gave them to us. And a couple days or a week later or something, her husband, a guy I went to high school with, came and said, I want you to build some canoe paddles for me for a wedding present. How much will you charge? And I said, well, you just gave us these chickens that are apparently awesome. I'll just build them for you. So I got to make some canoe paddles. That is probably going to be started this week, because they need to be done by August 5th. Yeah. So, aside from that, I got a question for you guys because I'm at a loss. Check this out. You guys see this pile of trash bags? This is filled with like 90% walnut sawdust. And this is only some of them. I've been throwing some away, I've been burning some, but it's getting a little out of hand. And I don't know what to do with them. I can't use them as like mulch because it kills plants. I can't use it for like chicken bedding and stuff like that because it's not good for animals. What do you do with it? I mean, do I just keep burning it? Is there any use for it? I heard maybe you can grow mushrooms in it. I don't know. So, what do you guys do with your walnut sawdust? I've got like a ridiculous amount of it. Let me know, because I can't find anything good to do with it. Alright. Back in the shop. Alright, so I guess that's gonna do it for this week. Oh, a couple of you guys have been asking me how, it's my dog, how almost knocked the camera over. How my finger's doing? It's doing well. It's, you know, healing up nicely. No complaints. Can't really completely make a fist yet, but you know, it's okay. So thanks for the concern. I appreciate it. I guess with that, I'll just say thank you to my patrons. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome, and I'm really having fun, you know, chatting with you guys and making stuff for you to give away and like all that stuff. So I really appreciate the support, and I hope that you guys appreciate, you know, how I'm showing my gratitude. So with that, shop update is over. Go build something. All right, later.